Okay, so today we're working on problems 13, 14, and 15. For this first one, you can see that they surveyed 25 people. So we cannot tell if at least 52% of shoppers will prefer brand A over brand B. We can't tell if the majority of shoppers will prefer either brand. The only thing that we can tell from this is that the number of shoppers who prefer brand A may be similar to the number of shoppers who prefer brand B. For problem 14, we're going to use U substitution. So U is going to be equal to 1 over x minus 3. We're going to rewrite this as 12u squared minus 2 equals 23u. When we rewrite this out, we're going to bring all the u's to one side. So we'll have 12u squared minus 23u minus 2 equals 0. Then we need to solve for u. So we're going to factor this out. We're going to have 12u and 1u. And then we'll have plus 1 minus 2 equals 0. So your two possible u's are either going to be negative 1/12 or 2. Next we need to plug this back in to find out what x is. So negative 1/12 equals 1 over x minus 3. We can do that cross multiplication if you want to do it that way. And we have negative 12 equals x minus 3. We add that 3 over. And our first possible x is going to equal negative 9. The second one, we're going to have 2 equal 1 over x minus 3. Again, we can just multiply this over. So we'll have 2 times x minus 3 equals 1. So when we, let's not do that. We're going to distribute this out. So at 2x minus 6 equals 1. Add 6. So x will equal 7 over 2. So our two possible answers are negative 9 or 7 halves. For this last one, we are just going to factor this out to start with. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. For number 1, we're going to have 6 and 1, negative 5 and 2. For our second one, we'll have 1, 1, negative 3 and 2. For our third one, we'll have 1 and 1, negative 3 and negative 3. And for our fourth one, we'll have 6 and 1, negative 5 and negative 4. So we'll rewrite this out. And then we can cross out any of them that are similar. And we're left with x minus 3 over x minus 4. And that is tonight's homework.